Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. Today we're going to do it in a very small space to inspire you again that you can do it absolutely anywhere. So let's place our feet apart, hands apart, and gently soften our gaze and take 3 purposeful breaths in. Big inhale through your nostril, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last good purposeful breath in, big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. So now we're going to do the cat-cow while standing. So you're going to place your hands up, right? Inhale, push your belly in front, neck up and gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Visualize your spine. Inhale, all the way up. Nice stretch. Exhale, arch your back as much as you can. Inhale, exhale, bring your pelvis in front. Inhale, push your tummy out, and exhale, tummy in. Inhale, last one, and exhale. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breath. Now we're going to move our knees and our ankles twice, right? So right knee up and down, then the right ankle to your right side twice, and then to your left side, right? So similarly, we're going to do it to our left leg. So left knee and left ankle to your right side and to your left side. So protecting our joints are really important. Okay, now we're going to do some simple jogging. This is really good for blood flow, right? To get your blood flowing. And you can even do the star jumps, but we are trying to do it in a small area. I'm trying to inspire you to use small areas also. So this is really good to get the blood flow, right? To get the anxieties out, to really move your body, right? And hands apart, feet apart. Let's take a deep breath in. So now we're going to do the triangle pose, but the Udita Trikonasana, right? That is extended. So you're going to first come into a mountain pose. So that means feet together, hands together, right? And then you're going to move your right foot to your right side. And then you're going to extend your right foot, yes, to your right side. Inhale, hands up. Then you're going to push your left hip to your left side, surfboard to your right. Inhale, exhale, down. So you're going to gaze upwards, yeah? So this is really good for your anxiety, digestion, to lose weight, right? So there are a lot of good points. So try to do this pose regularly. So we're going to come up, inhale up, hands parallel to the mat. Exhale, hands down. Then you're going to move your right foot to the center. We're going to repeat it to our left. Inhale, hands up. Then you're going to move your left foot to your left side. Then you're going to push your right hip to your right side, surfboard to your left. Inhale, exhale, gaze up. Good. So pick the point and hold on to that and only think of the point, right? And activate all parts of your body and hold the pose. You're doing good. So keep breathing normally. Think about the benefit. And you'll feel that nice stretch on your right side, right? So really good for bloating also. So inhale, hands up, parallel to the floor. Exhale down, always go with the breath. Move your left foot now to the center. Then bend your right foot, go to the left side, hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. So this part, deep breathing after each pose, is very important, so don't miss out on that. Let's take a deep breath in and out. So now we're going to do the lateral arch pose, right? This is really good to detoxify your liver and your kidney. So you're going to come to a mountain pose first. So yeah. Then you're going to place your feet in a V shape. So your feet will be in a V shape, right, for balance. Then you're going to move your right hand up, up, up with the inhalation. Then make a fist with your right hand. Pull yourself up. Feel that nice stretch all the way up, up, up. Then you're going to let go and straighten your fingers. Then take a breath. Inhale. Exhale, we're going to bend right to your left. Feel that nice stretch on your right side. You're going to gaze towards your left, right, and hold that pose. So feel that, you know, your kidney, your liver is getting detoxified, which is really a plus, right? So feel that blood flow into those really important organs. We're going to come up now. Inhale, up, up, up. Make a fist. Pull yourself up. Then straighten your fingers. Then exhale, slowly, gracefully down. We're going to repeat it to the left. Inhale, hands up, left hand up, up, up. Then make a fist, pull yourself up. Feel that nice stretch on your left. Straighten your leg, straighten your fingers. Inhale, exhale, bend. Then you're going to think where you're going to look. You're going to look to your right side. Feel that nice stretch on your left, right, and breathe normally. It's also actually good for your lungs, so helps with breathing because you're stretching the side of the lungs. Think about all that amazing benefits that you are getting from this small breath. Inhale, we are coming up. Make a fist, up, 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 pull yourself up. Again, inhale, exhale, slowly and gracefully, hands down, hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths in through our nostrils. Big inhale, exhale, big inhale, exhale, last big inhale, and exhale. Great job. I invite you to say these positive affirmations within you or out loud. I am strong, I am brave, I am safe, I am forgiving, I am healthy, I am happy. Feel those going deep into your being. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.